guys, Will Tony from Will Arts Productions here, finally back with another video. I know it's been like a long time since I actually thought of making a video. I didn't really think I was gonna be back on YouTube, but I decided to give it another shot. This will be my last time to prove myself I can actually stick through with something. And yeah, I just had a bad year just trying to get everything back together. I finally got back to going to school, so I just left school right now. So yeah, I ain't gonna take too much of y'all time. I just had a package from WANG or FLEUR. When that dropped, I ordered this. This actually came last week, Wednesday. So yeah, I just been waiting to make a video on it and stuff like that. And I'll do the probably talking at the end. So let's get right into it. Let me find something to cut this up with, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, we are back. Found a box cutter that I had a long time ago. So let's get right into it. Alright, first up, when you open it up, we got the little invoice here, $115. Alright, get rid of the box. We got this pink box here, size 9. You can see that there. This is actually my first pair of golf FLEURs. I always wanted some, but I just never got around the chance of getting any. And every time you drop some, I never have money at the time. That's the same with anything I'll try to buy. I never had the money around the time they drop. So I'm glad to be able to get it today. And I'm gonna start searching for more of the past releases. And here he is right here. Got this bag here. I always see they come with. There's actually good packaging, so yeah. This probably could be reusable for something else. And I got this off the actual website, so I think if you did, you get this sticker and a keychain here. It says Golf FLEUR and the little logo. Just sit the box down. Let's get into it. Now, the pair I got is the low top ones, the lows. So pretty much this one is the wool kind that just dropped. Then he had the hot top and then another color, I forgot. Comes with 2 laces. So this is pretty much carpet type of material. I never really had shoes in this type of material before. And they said this is a half size big or something, or I don't know, running half sizes. I just got a 9 because that's my normal shoe size. And my foot is kind of weird, so I'm not sure if I'll just put that here. I'm not sure if it'll actually fit tight or big. I'm gonna see. Yeah, they fit pretty well. They don't fit too big. Just need to tie the laces up and they'll fit fine. If y'all have this shoe, tell me which kind you got down below during the 3 drops, 3 styles. Sorry, it's been a while since I made a video, so I can't really talk right now, but I'll get back into it. So yeah, this is a pretty cool shoe. I actually been wanting to get back into Converses for a while. I just never gotten around to buying shoes or anything. So it said made in Vietnam in the inside. I got FLEUR right there. Bottom got white flowers on the bottom. Pretty cool design. Can't wait for more. I seen the Grinch ones like was limited. I've seen those floating around. I'm not sure if he actually dropped those or anything, but I want to get that pair too. And I want to go for like the old drops that I didn't really get a chance to cop at first. So yeah, look out for a pass or some unboxings of those if I ever get a chance to do a video on them, or just show y'all whenever I have them. So yeah, if you like this shoe, if you got it, comment down below. I'll be reading all the comments and responding to all of them. And I would do B-rolls of this at the end like I usually would do, but it's like too cold right now, and I just left them out there, so I don't really trying to go back out there. I'm gonna put this keychain with my other keys. I don't know what to do with the sticker. I just got like a sticker box over there. I just collect them. So if you like this video so far, just like, comment, subscribe for sure. Just smash the like button. I know it's repetitive, you hear that in every video, but it would be really appreciated. And alright, that is all I got for you guys today. Didn't really have much to like get the apparel or anything, but if you have a chance to get it, you probably had the good luck. I'm supposed to have like another unboxing video for you guys, but I'm not sure when it's coming. I haven't got any confirmation on the like tracking yet, so I'm waiting on that. I actually bought Elgato on Black Friday, so you should have like some gaming videos coming up soon. I'm not sure when. I'm trying to either wait for the green screen, for me to buy the green screen first, or just probably get like a couple videos out, but I don't know. You'll probably see soon on my page. But if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on all my social medias. It's down in the description below, and like probably on the edit screen here. And that's pretty much all I got today. Thanks for watching. See you again. Peace.